What's up guys, welcome to our channel Tej Advice. In this video we will discuss about video problem in Windows 10. We will discuss 11 methods by which you can fix your video problem in Windows 10. In this video we have covered all the important points related to video problem in Windows 10. The media player problem, if you are facing a problem with your media player, if you are facing a problem with your movie and TV player, or any of the video not playing on your browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, or your YouTube video is not playing properly in your browser. So we have covered all the important points in this video, so stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, if you are new to this channel, then click on subscribe button, select all to the bell notification, give a thumbs up if you like the video, and leave your feedback in the comment section which method fixed your problem. Method 1. Run troubleshooting for video playback. Here you need to find the video playback option and you need to run the troubleshooting. Click on this Windows icon, click on the setting. Here, click on update and security. On the left side, you'll see troubleshoot. Click on it, scroll it down. You will find video playback. Find and fix problem with playing movie, TV show or video. Click on this option, click on video playback, click on run the troubleshooter. It's detecting the problem. Here you have three options: open video playback setting, open display adapter setting. I want to continue with this troubleshooting. You can select the option as per your requirement. You can click on open video playback to check if the video is playing properly or not. You can check the open display adapter setting as well. Or either you can simply click on I want to continue with the troubleshooting. It's gonna check everything. As you can see, it says your system doesn't have the HEVC codec installed. The codec is required for 4K playback in certain services. Install the codec from Microsoft Store. So if I want 4K video to be played on my PC, then I have to install this HEVC codec. But right now I don't require this. I just want to show you if I click on continue what option I'll get. You can simply click on next and it's gonna show you that HEVC codec not installed. You can close the troubleshooting from here and you can install this codec in your PC. Method 2. Troubleshoot Media Player Library. You need to go in control panel. As you can see this option, type here to search, type here control. You'll get this control panel. Click on open. Here you need to search for the troubleshoot option. For that, click on this view by. You'll get this option, large icons. Click on this troubleshooting. On the left side, you'll see view all. Click on this view all. Here you can see Windows Media Player Library. Click on this. Now click on advanced. Click on run as administrator and then click on next. Click on apply this fix. Method 3. Update drivers. To update drivers, do a right click on Windows icon. Click on device manager. Here you'll see two options, display adapters and monitors. You can do a double click to get the drop down, or either you can click on this arrow to see the drop down. Click on this adapter and click on update driver. Click on search automatically for update driver software. Same thing you have to do in monitor option. Update driver, search automatically for update driver software. Method 4. Check power settings. Type here control. You'll get the control panel. Click on open. Click on this power options. Here you have to make sure the option balanced have to be selected as it says recommended. You have to click here on the left side. Choose when to turn off the display and click on this change advanced power setting. In multimedia settings, click on this plus icon. Here you have to check the settings. Click on the plus icon. Prevent idling to sleep, video playback performance, and when playing video, optimize video quality. This is a setting you need to select. If you have this setting, then leave it as it is. Method 5. Turn window media player off and on. Type here control, click on open. In view by, you have to select category, click on programs, click on turn Windows feature on or off. You'll get this window. Search for media features. Click on this, uncheck this option and click OK. It's gonna take some time and restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, come to the same page, click on turn Windows feature on or off and check this option, both of them, and click OK. It's gonna search and apply the changes and restart again to check if this help you to solve the problem. Method 6. Download media player codec pack. The link is given in the description to download the media player codec pack. Just need to go to that page and download the media player. As you can see this page, click on download, install the media player codec and run the recommended options. Method 7. Browser hardware acceleration. If your video is not playing on your browser, then you can opt for this browser hardware acceleration. I'm showing you just for the Google Chrome. If you want to know about Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Opera browser or Internet Explorer, then the link is given in the description. Click on that page, read the information about hardware acceleration. Right now I'm showing you about Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome, click on these three dots. You'll get the setting options. Type here hardware. You'll get this option, turn it off and relaunch your Chrome browser. Method 8. Rollback driver. Do a right click on Windows icon, click on device manager, in the display adapters and the monitors, you have to do the same thing. Do a double click and you'll get this drop down option. Do a right click, click on properties, click on drivers, click on rollback driver and restart your PC. The same thing you have to do with monitor driver. Click on driver and click on rollback driver. Method 9. Stop Windows Media Player Network Sharing Services. In the search, you have to type services. Click on open. Here you need to search for Windows Media Player Network Sharing Services. Do a double click and select disable and click on apply and OK. Method 10. Uninstall and reinstall the driver. For that, do a right click on Windows icon. Click on device manager. Do a double click on display adapter. You have to do the same for both driver display adapters and monitor. Do a double click. Select this option. Click on properties. Click on driver. Uninstall the device. Once you uninstall it, click on this scan for hardware changes and restart your PC to make the effect take place. Method 11. YouTube video is not playing properly. As your YouTube video is not playing properly, then you have to check few things. I'm just showing you the example here. If you want to read more about other browsers, then the link is given in the description of the page and you can read every information from that page. What you have to do if you are the user of Google Chrome browser, first click on these 3 dots and click on new incognito window and try to play the video here. If your video works perfectly fine in incognito mode, then you have to check all the extension. If any of the extension blocking YouTube video, you have to make sure none of the extension causing problem for you to play YouTube video on your browser. For that, click on 3 dots, click on settings, click on extension. Here you'll see all of your extensions. Turn off the extension and try to play the YouTube video by refreshing the page. If you want to read more, then you can visit to the page. We have mentioned all the 11 methods by which you can fix your video problem in Windows 10. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.